Taking notes during lectures is crucial for retaining information. A lecture is a formal presentation or talk that is meant to teach an audience. Note-taking tools like notebooks and pens are essential for effective learning from a lecture. Staying organized with headings and bullet points helps highlight key ideas. Reviewing notes by condensing information and creating summaries is key. Summarizing notes helps reinforce learning and aids in retention. One of the best active listening strategies is preparing questions for the speaker. Another strategy that will help is making sure that you have understood the words the speaker used. Create a list of key words and write their definitions beside them. The definitions should either be what the speaker gives directly or indirectly. Directly means the speaker literally gave a definition of the keyword. Indirectly means that they talked about the word and used. They believe their use of the word was enough for you to understand. If ever in doubt, ask the speaker to clarify what they meant. There are many different ways to take notes during a lecture. The best thing to do is be brief and clear in a way that you will know what you meant by your own notes when you go back over them later.